everyone. In today's episode of Kidscienfotainment, I'll be demonstrating about starch and iodine combined. So, let's begin. The materials required for this experiment are some iodine solution, an eyedropper, a plate, and some testing samples. A piece of bread, a piece of notebook paper, sugar, lemon, a piece of butter, the procedure: open the iodine solution, and your eyedropper. Take a very bit of iodine. Now, take any of the test samples and pour and squeeze out a bit of iodine. Observe what happens. Do the same thing for the other test samples. The bread and the paper seem to have changed the color into bluish black. But if you see this sugar, it seems to have not changed in color at all. Whereas if you see the butter and the lemon, they just get stained by the bluish black iodine solution. The science behind it. As you could see in the following cases, the notebook paper and the bread, when combined with iodine, was turning into a bluish purple color. Now, how does that happen? Well, the starch inside of the notebook paper and bread combines with iodine, forming a bluish black compound. Only the samples which contain starch will turn into a dark bluish black color. Now you might ask, what is starch? Starch is a very large chemical molecule. In looks, it is shaped like a long twisted chain with branch-like structures sticking out. The twisted long chain or starch is thought to capture the iodine inside of its spiral pattern. The spiral pattern of the starch with iodine caught inside produces the color. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do consider liking and subscribing. Most importantly, don't forget to share this video with your friends, family members. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.